Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to disable bridge mode on your Cox modem. It's very easy guys. So in a web browser, open up your web browser, type this in. Okay, so you'll basically be able to access the admin tool. So you just go ahead and type into the URL box, the address box of 192.168.0.1. Okay, and if you're disabling bridge mode, it's very easy. Make sure guys, your device must be connected to your gateway with an Ethernet cable while you're doing this. Just enter the following information. So usually the default one will be the username, just put in admin. Password would be password. Just type it in, guys, it is case sensitive, okay? And if you've previously changed your admin tool password, use that password to sign in. This is the default ones. And from the left hand column, select gateway, then select at a glance, okay? And next to bridge mode, you'll see disable, okay? Go ahead and disable it, and then go ahead and click on OK, and your gateway will restart, right? And in the top right corner, just go ahead and log out, and you are going to be good to go. That's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.